Hi guys, how are we all today? Welcome back to our part 2 in the Daintree. We are headed up to the ice cream place, Daintree Ice Cream. Just give you a quick look around. So here we are at the ice cream place, Daintree Ice Cream. Well recommend you all come up here and check out the beautiful different types of fruit and ice cream here. It's absolutely amazing. Give you a bit of a walk around through all the different fruit. Show you the ice cream. This is where we get the beautiful ice cream. Couple of souvenirs. Some more nice cards. Drink bottles, coffee cups.
Driving back down the driveway.
Some more local products. Some of the ice cream, different flavours.
Yes.
Which is my friend.
It's processing it to become ice cream.
Lovely.
Tastes a bit like caramel custard in the ice cream.
Ice cream.
So you've got your 4 flavours, which is $7.50. It changes all the time depending what we have in season.
Yep.
These ones down here are our individual cups, so I can show you what they look like.
Yep.
So the signature cup comes like that. You've
Yep.
got your wattle seed with a nice mocha hazelnut flavour. That fruit that you were just watching me peel is the yellow sapote fruit, and I think in here it tastes like a homemade custard, but it's got this sweetness like caramel. That one there is your passion fruit, and
Yep.
on the bottom is coconut. These ones down here, as I said, are just individual cups, so if you just want to select a single flavour, they come like that for $6.
Lovely.
And then put down here,
What's some of the other fruits
we do have
that aren't on there?
like a vegan cup if anyone wants to do dairy-free version. It's slightly different flavours and it changes as well.
Yep.
Some other fruits could be black sapote, which is better known as chocolate pudding fruit. Sometimes we have mango, sugar banana. Put pressure on me now.
What's some of the really rare ones?
Jackfruit.
Jackfruit.
Soursop.
Soursop, that's the one I like.
Yeah, and some of the individual ones are nice too. Because
Yep. No worries. Thank you very much for that. That's fantastic. Done well. And that one is one of my favourite ice creams. Absolutely amazing. You need to try that one if you never have. They look like that, the fruit. And these are the trees they're on. There's a better one we can get a view at. Mango tree. as the rain gets heavier. It's a good walk through all the different types of fruit, all the fruit trees they have in here, which they make their lovely ice cream with. It's absolutely beautiful, depending on the time that you come, which I highly recommend you do come. Will be the different types of fruit that will be fruiting at the time. Just trying to show you a few as the rains are starting again. Obviously it's very tropical up here in the Daintree. So many different plants to look at. What have we got here? Obviously they're the good old bananas over that way. Everybody knows what the bananas look like. Trying to shoot across this way real quick. Mulberries. So there's one tiny little one just there. Pretty cool. There's some plum. And you get some weird looking ones on here. It's got a bit of a web on it actually. A better one of the same thing right there. Lovely star fruit. Grows on a big tree like this. You can see just there. There's one right there, just popping up. A couple of pineapple plants here. Slushy on the feet. Hey, look, get in there. Look, look.
It's a tree cover.
She said he was tame.
Very friendly.
Yeah.
Tamed him now.
Wonder if he has a name, Chad.
I don't know, but he eats purple leaves. So I'm gonna try to find a purple leaf and feed him. He eats grass as well. Nope. He eats leaves. Yeah. From spider web.
Oh, he's just cute enough to pick up and take home.
Yeah.
New friend there, Chad.
Yeah.
How cool's that?
Very cool.
What's his name?
Want to name him?
You can name him.
I don't know what to name him.
Oh.
Call him Frank, the ice cream friend.
The ice cream plate. Oh, careful, you don't want to scare him.
Northern is in this big tree we're standing under. This one's bees.
It's a native beehive.
Never see. There we go. Passion fruit vine is just there, but not much on there. Out of season, obviously. Dragon fruit.
Going down my shirt again. I wonder if she will bug me again.
Big jackfruit. And a little one. Lots of green ants on these ones.
Covered.
Yeah, it's covered in green ants. And it starts to rain again.
The joys of
Oh,
tropical far north Queensland.
giant jackfruit.
I've got
Good
a
spot
smaller
there,
one,
Chatty.
a smaller one. Giant one.
Do you know what jackfruit tastes like, Chad?
No,
They have a unique banana bubblegum flavour.
I want the
Yum.
That's a bit different.
I want the jackfruit now.
Let's head over this side. I think we need to hurry it up. The tropical rains are starting again. Lychees.
I love lychees. Look at lychee.
So it's a lychee tree. Some macadamia nuts. Only a tiny little tree. It's all the tea. Just up the road they got the Daintree tea, which looks big paddocks, exactly the same as that. Which you can also stop at. I don't know if you can see that flowers over the other side there, but they look amazing.